Hi all, welcome to French classes by Kandisa. Today we will be learning French alphabets. Alphabets in French are the same as that in English, but the only difference is that how we pronounce them. So let's get started. A, A. For example, avion. B, B. For example, ballon. C, C. For example, chat. D, D. For example, dinosaur. U, E. For example, école. F, F. For example, frites. G, G. For example, gâteau. H, H. For example, horloge. E, E. For example, immeuble. J, J. For example, jupe. K, K. For example, kiwi. L, L. For example, lit. M, M. For example, maison. N, N. For example, nid. O, O. For example, oiseau. P, P. For example, poisson. Q, Q. For example, carte. R, R. For example, réfrigérateur. S, S. For example, stylo. T, T. For example, tigre. U, U. For example, université. V, V. For example, vélo. W, W. For example, wagon, wagon. X, X. For example, xylophone, xylophone. Y, Y. For example, U. Z, Z. For example, zebra. So these were the 26 French alphabets. I would prefer you to listen to this video again and speak by yourself so that you will get it more. After all, learning a language includes a section of speaking as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will bring up more such videos which will help you in learning French language. Thanks for watching.